full mouth rehabilitation done with dental implants like 3 years back, and now he has changed his implants to permanent teeth also. So now we'll get his feedback.
Yeah, this is Hemant Thakur. I'm very much happy about this clinic. I mean, this is my second experience in 2018 when I was there initially. I mean, I never ever felt pain. My heart is very small. I mean, even if you touch me, I will say, you know. But these people, I mean, this doctor, Anjali and team, I don't know what kind of anesthesia they gave me or any. I never ever felt even a small bite, and I got completely mouth, the tooth implant and everything. My smile is improved, and now I am able to eat anything, and I can compete with any young guys. I am almost 50 now. So this thing happened like in 18, and even the temporary teeth lost almost 3.5 years. I mean, I was supposed to come last year because of the pandemic. It was getting delayed, but now when I came last week, within 7 days I got permanent teeth, you know, and I'm very much happy. One thing I can say, you know, whenever even if you call me for regular visit, wherever I am in India or anywhere in the world, definitely I'll come to this clinic only, no matter whoever say anything about this treatment. No, I'm telling you from my bottom of my heart. This is my extreme experience. I'm telling you. You can talk to my wife whenever. Trust me, I mean, for the pain, these people used to cry by seeing me, you know, because in 2018, you people, oh my God, magically you people gave me a good treatment. I mean, you know, once you suggested whatever the treatment, I'm qualified for that, you know. Because money is nothing, you know, in terms of pain and everything. I mean, money today come and go and doesn't matter, but the pain, other part of the body, even you can tolerate the pain, but tooth pain is severe. And I got so comfort and family and homely atmosphere in this clinic as well as in the Mughali, you know. I'm very much happy. I can suggest anyone, you know, even I always say, even my cousins in Hyderabad, you know. I mean, okay, it is a long distance. Okay, if you want, you can take train or anything, but go there. And on the price is also very reasonable. You know, trust me, you know. Anything you want to say?
Yeah, we have an Indian mentality of bargaining. It is very reasonable and very nice. And of course, there's not a single faculty member or team member who's rude.
No, they are very nice.
Feel uncomfortable. You know, I mean, I keep crying about things. I'm a big cribber, but I'm very happy because looking at my husband, I have seen him suffer. My daughter, unfortunately, she was not able to come today because otherwise, we as a family, we've been celebrating. He got his new teeth yesterday. She got cakes and saying happy teeth day.
Yes, my daughter was saying,
So we are extremely happy and we really bless this clinic for all the prospering life.
You people are really great.
Especially Dr. Anjali is my family. I mean, I see my extended version of my daughter in Dr. Anjali.
Thank you so much. It's truly amazing.
No, you people are really nice. I mean, obviously,
comfort level, I sit in the waiting area as if the TV is mine, the couch is mine, everything is mine. I'm so comfortable.
The atmosphere, that's the way you need it. You know, when you go to the clinic, you need extreme comfortability so that whatever the pain you come with, when you go, then you will feel, oh, this thing happened to me. You know, you feel surprised.
First time when we came here, my first experience 3 years back, I didn't know anybody here.
We are strangers.
The whole day since morning till the night, he got everything removed. My family members kept asking, did you eat anything? Did you drink? I said, no, I'm having lunch. I'm having coffee.
You people
everything. You know, I'm not the patient, but I was taken care since the patient is inside. You're taking care here. Really, very nice. I really bless the clinic in every possible ways we can.
You people are great. There is no word to say anything. There is no word.
And that is honest experience that wherever we are, in whichever state
or anywhere, definitely will come.
I don't need anything for myself, but in future,
anything happens. I tell to my daughter also, if you need any kind of implant, do it earlier. Because I mean it looks very odd, but the treatment is so nice and comfortability, you know. Doesn't matter if you have original or the artificial. As long as you get, I mean, if you cannot enjoy your food or traveling, no need of living in this
And
world,
we
I
are
can say.
foodies.
We are foodies, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have a good team that
Trust
way.
me, you know, from last 3 years, some of the food I completely boycotted like 10-15 years back when I was in US, you know.
Yeah,
Because
sandwiches and all.
broccoli,
Yeah.
I never ever try to bite the broccoli, you know. I mean, the gum used to,
Love that.
yeah.
Yeah.
Any kind of even soft food also. But those food from 2018 till today I'm enjoying, and I know next 10 years also,
And that is
20
the
years
reason
also.
he's gained a lot of weight.
Yeah, definitely. From 2018 to now, I gain almost 10 kg, I think. But I should do something, you know. Enough is enough for the food, but definitely.
So that's a fact.
Yeah, if you can review my old pictures in your system, you know.
You will
Weight gain out of happiness.
yeah.
Happiness and obviously I'm crazy about food and eating this and that,
He's right.
but I should
used to
understand.
Overcook meat and anything, you know. Now, no, it's nice. I want to bite it, like all burritos.
Yeah, like whenever she used to cook like chicken, mutton, I always says, you know, make
Overcook
it
it.
overcook it. You know, even the bone also is almost like this kind. But now if it is half cook also, I'm able to eat, and you feel comfort.
My daughter, can you bite this? I can bite this.
Yeah, from the front tooth, I can easily have a nice sandwich and hard thing. You know, that's a really great thing.
Is it
This
good?
all happened because of you guys. That's it. You know, because of you guys. That's it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Anyway, thank you so much. I really appreciate your.
Thank you so
Thanks a lot.
much. And it's more like a picnic for us, to be honest.
Definitely.
Thank you.
I think we will grow more heights because of your blessings.
Yes.
Of course. Anytime.
You people deserve it. You know,
Yeah.
definitely.
And I say that to my daughter also. Hard work always pays, and I find everybody very hardworking here. You know, you never come up with an excuse. Like, we are extremely professional people,
Yeah.
but we really appreciate if people do their work properly without.
No, you
any
people are same in the morning time. Even I checked in the evening when you call me around 5:30. That time also you are so energetic. I mean, how you people can manage this thing with
And you
with so many
understand the
patients?
pain of the patient, because the first time I remember I spoke to Geeta ma'am.
Yeah.
We had to come after 2-3 days, but he was in a lot of pain. In the last minute,
Last minute she arranges everything. You know, you just go
she
there.
said. So that way, we had a long journey, and we will continue.
Definitely will come,
You know,
no
at
matter
a
wherever we
personal
are.
level,
Yeah.
anytime, anybody.
Thank you.
But yes, I would love to see this clinic at great heights.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely, ma'am. Your blessings.
This is our clinic. I consider this my clinic. You know,
Yeah.
definitely. Yeah.
And Dr. Anjali, though, I have no words for her.
No, you are really.
I can
nice.
say and do anything with her. Yeah,
And you and your team, you know, I mean, they are very nice.
yeah, that day even Dr. Sandhya is very nice.
Yeah.
Geeta ma'am, all of them I have interacted
Yeah,
with. Even my appointment calling. Sorry, I don't know your name. But,
Yeah, you are also so. You
very
know.
nice, very nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay.
I
This feedback means a lot to us because it reaches everybody all over the world who wanted to get their dental treatment done. There are many people who are suffering with their dental issues, unable to eat food,
Yeah.
and like lack of confidence in them. This video will reach many people who
Yeah.
seriously wanted to get a good dental treatment.
No, I completely understand anybody's pain, you know, because I suffered. I went to through
you
thing.
stayed
You know.
in New York for 20 years.
Yeah.
You know, and out there also you don't get that comfort level. That is the reason we wanted to come back and
Come
get
back and
things done
yeah.
here. So that way, I don't know the extreme level of stars, maximum
Yeah.
stars.
10 out of 10 or maybe more.
This
Yeah.
feedback will reach hundreds of people, and we are truly blessed. We'll be rendering our service to many people over there.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No, really, we really appreciate your. This is really great.
Thank you.
Great pleasure.
Bye.
Pleasure all. Bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.